Hello! You're going to learn the sound s, 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 s. Let's see what's inside. S, s, s. Snail, snail. S, s, s. Scissors, scissors. Strawberry, strawberry. Snowman, snowman. Snake, snake. And sand clock, sand clock. Okay, let's see. Can you show me scissors? Scissors, scissors. That's right, scissors. Can you show me snake? Snake, snake, snake. Can you show me strawberry? Strawberry, strawberry. That's right. Can you show me snowman? Snowman, snowman. That's right. Can you show me sand clock? Sand clock. Sand clock. And can you show me snail? Snail. This is a snail. That's right. And can you show me scissors? Yes, scissors. And now let's name these things. What is this? These are scissors. That's right. Let's put the scissors in the sound pouch. Can you tell me what is this? This is a snake, correct? Snake. And what is this? Snail. That's right, this is a snail. And what is this? Yummy. What is this? It's a strawberry. Strawberry, that's right. And what is this? Sand clock. This is a sand clock. Correct. And last one. What is this? Let's see. This is snowman. That's a snowman. Correct. So you learned the sound S